Main points. Let's revise these points. The process by which a living being takes in air, make use of it and give out air is called respiration. The organs that help us respire form the respiratory system. There are the nose, windpipe and lungs. Next, we inhale through the nostril. From the nose, inhaled air passes into the windpipe. The two branches of the windpipe carry air into the lungs. Next, the lungs have millions of little pouches that fill up with inhaled air. Blood picks up oxygen from the air in these pouches and carries it to all parts of the body. Next, oxygen combines with the food in different parts of the body to give out energy and form carbon dioxide and water. Next, from the lungs, carbon dioxide travels up the windpipe and out through the nose. It is mixed with air we exhale. Next, when we inhale, the chest expands and so do the lungs. This makes air move into the lungs to fill up the extra space. Next, when we exhale, the chest contracts, which makes the lungs contract. This squeezes air out of the lungs. Next, air pollution causes respiratory illness. Next, planting trees, making sure our vehicle work well, forming carpools and not burning garbage can bring down air pollution. Last, we can protect ourselves from the harm caused by air pollution by eating healthy food and playing or exercising every day. Let's do the exercise of this chapter. A. Write these in the correct order. 1. When we inhale. 2. Air gets squeezed out of the lungs. 3. When we exhale. 4. The chest expands, making the lungs expand. 5. Air enters through the nose to fill up the extra space. 6. The chest contracts, making the lungs contract. 7. Air goes up the windpipe and out through the nose. So what comes first? First, when we inhale. When we inhale, after that, the chest expands, making the lungs expands. When we inhale, the chest expands, making the lungs expands. Then air goes up the windpipe and out through the nose. Then air enters through the nose to fill up the extra space. Then when we exhale, the chest contracts, making the lungs contract and air get squeezed out of the lungs. Right here 5 and here 6, then 7. When we inhale, the chest expands, making the lungs expand. Air goes up the windpipe and out through the nose. Air enters through the nose to fill up the extra space. When we exhale, the chest contracts, making the lungs contract. Air gets squeezed out of the lungs. Exercise B. Write one word for 1. The tube-like organs that carries air from the nose to the lungs, that is windpipe. WINDPIPE. Number 2. The sticky stuff inside the nose, that is mucus. MUCUS. Number 3. Taking in air through the nose, that is inhale. What called? It's called inhale. INHALE. Number 4. Making something dirty, pollution. To make something dirty is to pollute, means pollution. POLLUTION. O-N. Number 5, arranging to share cars, that is carpools. Carpools. C-A-R-P-O-O-L-S.